That 2022 sedan with 30,000 miles? It's been in 3 accidents the dealer won't tell you about. And that monthly payment they quoted you? It's designed to cost you $8,000 more than you need to pay. I'm exposing every scam dealers used in 2025 so you don't become their next victim in 2026. These are the 7 car buying scams that cost Americans over $2 billion last year. Number 1. The VIN history blackout. This one's brutal because it happens before you even negotiate. Dealers know exactly which vehicles have accident history, flood damage, or odometer rollbacks, but they're betting you won't check. Here's the insider move. Pull the Carfax and auto-check report. Different databases catch different problems. I've seen cars with clean Carfax, but auto-check shows frame damage. Spend the extra $20. It could save you $20,000. Number 2, the payment packing scam. This is where dealers make their real money off uninformed buyers. They'll ask what monthly payment you can afford, then work backwards stuffing in extended warranties, gap insurance, and paint protection. A $30,000 car magically becomes $38,000, but your monthly payment stays the same because they stretch your loan to 84 months. The counter move? Negotiate the total vehicle price first. Never discuss monthly payments until the price is locked in writing. Number 3, the trade-in lowball shuffle. Dealers use your own car against you to inflate their profit. They'll offer you $8,000 for a trade worth $12,000, then act like they're doing you a favor by coming up to $9,500. Meanwhile, they drop the new car price by $1,000, so you think you won. You just lost $2,500 and felt good about it. The pro strategy: get written offers from CarMax, Carvana, and one local dealer before you shop. Use the highest as your baseline. Number 4, the phantom add-ons already installed. This scam costs buyers an average of $1,800 they never agreed to. You pick out your car, and the finance manager says, "Oh, this one already has our theft protection package and nitrogen in the tires." That nitrogen cost them $5. They're charging you $299. The VIN etching that's supposed to deter theft? Another $399 for a $15 service. Your power move: ask for the out-the-door price in writing before you sit down and finance. Remove any add-ons you didn't request. Number 5, the interest rate markup. This one's sneaky because most buyers never even know they qualify for better. Your bank approves you at 5.9% interest. The dealer tells you the best they could do is 7.4%. They pocket the difference. On a $35,000 loan over 60 months, that extra 1.5% costs you $1,400. And it's completely legal in most states. The smart buyer move: get pre-approved from your credit union before you shop. Use that rate to force the dealer to beat it. Number 6, the limited time pressure play. Artificial urgency designed to kill your negotiating power and clear their aging inventory. This price is only good today. Another customer is coming back tonight to put a deposit on this exact car. It's all theater. If that car is still sitting there next week, the same deal will be available. Their goal is to stop you from shopping competitors. Your winning response: I appreciate that, but I'm visiting 3 dealers today. If it's meant to be, it'll be here when I'm ready. Number 7, the certification scam. Not all certified pre-owned programs are created equal, and some are basically worthless. Manufacturer CPO programs include thorough inspections and extended warranties. Dealer certifications? Often just a $50 detail and some paperwork. They'll charge you $2,000 extra for that dealer certification, which provides almost no additional protection beyond what you already get. The educated buyer question: is this manufacturer certified or dealer certified? If it's dealer certified, negotiate that fee to 0. Bonus insider tip: the best time to buy is the last 3 days of the month, when salespeople are desperate to hit quotas. Let's recap the 7 scams you need to avoid in 2026. 1. Always pull both Carfax and auto-check reports. 2. Negotiate total price first, never monthly payment. 3. Get 3 trade-in offers before you negotiate. 4. Remove dealer add-ons you didn't authorize. 5. Get pre-approved financing from your credit union first. Save this video before you step foot in a dealership. And subscribe because I'm dropping the private party scams next week.